Home remedies to prevent vomiting. In this video, we are giving some remedies that are available at your homes, in order to get rid of vomiting, and receive instant relief. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Ginger. Crush a piece of ginger and put it in water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to this and sip it the entire day. Ginger has qualities that can ease the irritation of the stomach and bring instant relief. Another best way of having ginger is by making a fresh ginger tea. Take 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root to 1 cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes, and strain before drinking. 2. Cloves. Keep a few pieces of cloves in your mouth and suck them for long. The aroma and taste of cloves can bring an immediate stop to vomiting. It brings about a change in the taste buds too. It also reduces the sensitivity of the mouth. Drink clove tea to avoid vomiting. Take 1 cup of boiling water and add 1 teaspoon of cloves. Steep for 10 minutes, and strain before drinking. 3. Sugar and salt water. Since vomiting has the ability to lead to an imbalance of the various levels of salts in the body, these could be sodium, potassium, etc. Drinking a good mixture of sugar and salt in water has the potential to bring these levels into the normal range for effective functioning of the body. The solution will not allow the body to get dehydrated and would prevent weakness of the body. It acts as a natural electron. 4. Lemonade. Drink a glass of water with some lemons squeezed into it. If needed, honey can be added for improving the taste of the lemonade. The vitamins and minerals that lemon entails can act as an obstacle to vomiting and thus stop it immediately. 5. Saunf. Also known as fennel, chewing saunf at regular intervals is extremely effective. It refreshes the taste of the mouth and makes the person feel much better. Have fennel tea to avoid vomiting. Take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and add 1 cup of boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes and strain before drinking. 6. Orange juice. Fresh homemade orange juice replenishes lost minerals, vitamins and nutrients of the body at a fast rate. It also has the potential to bring the blood pressure levels within the normal range. You can also have oranges as is or in the form of salad. The citrus flavor of the fruit will help avoid the feeling of vomiting. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.